So f of 0 in this function will be negative 7,000. Now, I didn't plug in these numbers, and I just made this problem up completely just because I felt like writing what I wrote. And I'm going to write here, I'm going to plug in the 1. And those of you who plugged in 1, what did you get?
Negative 7,102.5.
Negative 7,102.5. Those of you who plugged in negative 1, is that right? Okay. How about f of 5? Say it louder.
Negative
9,452.5. How about 100?
507,300.
Say again.
Negative 507.
Negative 507 300. And how about 3,000? 1.26 times 10 to the 10th. And now I'm sort of afraid to ask about 10,000. Because, yeah, what'd you get? 4.9 times 10 to the 11th. And what I want you to see that's going on with this problem is I didn't write this, but maybe I should write this f of 3,000 and f of 10,000. So if I look at my function here, f of 3,000 would have been 1/2 times 3,000 to the 3rd minus something, because that's a minus sign, minus something, minus something, minus 7,000. And the point being is this: at some point with this problem, the term with the highest power takes control. Yeah? At some point, since I have 1/2 x to the 3rd power, that term, I call it the boss term. That's going to be the boss. And some of you who plugged in these other numbers, you got negative numbers. In fact, here we got negative 507,300 something or other. I don't think I wrote the whole thing, right? I don't know, but we got this one negative, pretty large in magnitude for a negative number. But then at some point, we're getting this scientific notation. This is a positive number, this is a positive number. So what I'm looking at on this problem is that this term right here, kind of the boss. As x goes to infinity, this term will determine what's going on with this problem. That is going to positive infinity. So as x goes to positive infinity, f of x is going to positive infinity. And these other terms that you were subtracting end up being, they don't matter. Right? As x goes to positive infinity. So that's very similar to what we're looking at when we use these comparison tests. So I'm going to go ahead and write up the first comparison test, and we'll do some problems, and I'll show you what you need to look for in these problems.